Hello friend, today we are studying the food poisoning and allergy from a fish food part 2nd by Rohini Sudhakar Chand, Science College, BSc second year, paper number 8, unit number 4. Specific IEG measurement. Useful of a diagnosis predicting the development of a tolerance and persistence of a seafood allergy and monitoring allergy treatments. Adverse reaction of seafood, immunological and non-immunological food poisoning. Immunological food poisoning, IEG mediated and non-IEG mediated, FPIES and other. IE mediated, IgE test and SPT positive or negative. Decision point for IgE test and SPT. IgE level above the seasonal point and IgE below the decision point. Diet restriction negative. Oral food changes. IgE level below the decision point also related to the oral food changes. Positive and negative. Diet restriction and diet restriction. No diet restriction. Non-immunological food response, DBPC-FC and overnight observed for a supernatant food poisoning. Seafood toxic analyzed for a supernatant poisoning. Adverse clinical reaction resembling seafood allergy. Scombroid poisoning, histamine poisoning, allergy-like reaction occurs after eating the fish that have been improperly refrigerated after a capture. Marine algal toxin, a major case of adverse seafood reaction, red tides, diarrheatic seafood poisoning, and production of algal symptoms and mainly gastrointestinal problems such as diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Pelagic shellfish poisoning toxin. Minor dinoflagellate produce over 20 related chemical components, including a neurotoxin, cetoxin, and block the neural and muscular sodium channel. Adverse clinical reaction resembling seafood allergy. Sigrutina poisoning. Eating fish that has been contaminated by the algal derivative and toxin. Symptoms manifest mainly about gastrointestinal diarrhea, vomiting, neurological, improper revise and blood version, and cardiovascular drop in blood pressure and heart blood sign, bacterial and viral contamination. Different Vibrio strain such as Vibrio cholerae, Vibrio vulgaris, Literalia are Semnolina species. Composition of a raw fish, including ostrich, often involve the small round structure viruses and some Norwalks viruses. Symptoms can occur several hours after the consumption, including the gastrointestinal symptom. Any zinc parasite allergy. These are the pneumatoid deposit infection, many marine fishes. Cooking of fish temperature above the 60 degree and store the industrial freeze for 2 days is required to kill a parasite. Poses two major problems in human anesthetic infection, anesthetics allergy. Seafood intolerance. may be caused by the pharmacological property in ingested food. Several severe hereditary vasoactive animals such as histamine, tyramine, often found in a large quantity and in a can and packed fish. Fish autoclaves, also fresh fish such as herring, tuna, and mriggle. Um, food dyes, food additives, also seafood tolerance. Component resolve diagnosis. These are the tropomycin species antibiotic and these are the another antibiotic present in a serum. The washing to remove the non-specific antibody abundant in antibodies. This is a laser chemoilluminance. This is a chemoilluminance shown. Negative recombination. These are the following red line. Fluorescence emitted show here. See, and after adding antibody, addition of fluorescent labile secondary antibody and fluorescent labile antibody attached, they show the fluorescence. As sign of detection, they show the fluorescence. Component resolve in a diagnosis. Aim at measuring IgE antibody to individual allergic component in the form of a protein and peptide to provide a more detail on a sanitizing profile of a patient. Study on the diagnostic utility of a CRD in a fish. Shellfish allergies are lacking. Cross-reactivity. Cross-reactivity. Fish allergy. Most of the express several different isoforms of the major fish allergy pro-albumin up to the 5. Primarily of the beta lignage with a large molecule diversity, most of likely being responsible for a differential clinical reactivity resulting in a mono or a multi sensitivity. Approximately 50% chances of being cross reactive in another fish species. Non-specific per albumin was a IUSI recognized allergies from a frog and alpha and beta isoform and chicken beta alpha isoform with a reported cross reactivity between a chicken and fish per albumins. Cross reactivity of fish allergen. Non fish per albumins and who IAS recognize allergy from a food from a frog alpha and beta isoform and chicken alpha alpha isoform with a reported cross reactivity between chicken and fish albumins. Large amount of amino acid sequence diversity between the species such as cod, carp and salmon. The vast majority of more than 32,300 fish species have never been investigated for their allergies. The allergenicity of any given fish species is depend upon the two factors, that allergenicity of a protein in case of a per albumin and the on the amount of allergy present in a tissue. Cross reactivity between fish, crustacean and mollusk. Several allergens found depending upon the fish, crustacean, mollusk species oriented from some protein family share and small structure and function. These are the potential cause of a cross reactivity between the vertebrate and the invertebrate species. Allergicity IgE recognized tobramycin has been well documented in a crustacean, mollusk and fish tilapia. In 218, studies reported that a potential cross relativity of a tobramycin between the shellfish and a fish needed to future investigation. Treatment. Therapeutic development of a seafood allergy. The current treatment strategy for the seafood allergy are a completely advanced of netting source. The major changes in the development of a seafood and the immunotherapy using the either whole extract and natural purified allergy is a risk of a several allergic reaction. Alternative treatment in seafood allergy include the use of probiotics and the Chinese herbal medicine. Vaccine candidate, hypoallergic derivatives, and a clinical trial for a fish allergy. Most develop the immunotherapy of the fish allergy is used as a hypotherapeutic potential protein for antibody binding and mimic their natural counterparts to rise the IgG to block us subsequently introduce palvalamine for the binding to IgE first in a man. Subsequent immunotherapy shows the promising outcome and hence phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trial were conducted with the 15 participants in Denmark 213 followed by the phase lead clinical trial of 45 participants across the country in 215. Thank you.